Hi, Jason. In this first video, good one. In this first video for this week, first week of June, I'll start by going over your work from the last couple of lessons since we had that weird little mix-up. Okay, so first let's look at your dictation from May 20th. Here's what I played. Let's use the virtual piano to get the pitch right. Do. So it went do 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 do. Or in solfege, do re mi fa mi re do ti do. Here's what you wrote. Do re fa mi re ti do. So I don't know, a little bit off with the rhythm. Let's see. Do re, you got that right. But then this just kept going up in steps, right? Do re mi fa. But you skipped a little jump, right? Do re fa la. Also, you missed a little bit of the rhythm here. Right, we had 2 beats of 8th notes. You put a quarter note. La, fa, mi, re, ti, do. You did get the ti, do at the end, which is good. And, we had a re here. So not too bad. I think for this week's dictation, I'll start playing an instrument again. Just because it might be harder to hear the pitch when I sing it. And, it could be a little inconsistent, me singing. Okay, so that's a comparison of the first dictation from 520. All right, and then the rest of this is just something else. I'll throw that over there. Let's go to the next dictation. Find the answer key. This is the dictation from May 27th, which was last week's lesson. Okay. Looks pretty close from what I'm looking at. And yeah, so anyway, here's what I played. Let's get that pitch. All right, so we have do 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 do. Or in solfege, do, re, mi, do, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, mi, so, mi, do. All right, and now let's look at what you wrote. I'll go ahead and do this thing. This is pretty handy. So you wrote, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. All right, so rhythm is right on. Way to go. Looks like sometimes you can't quite tell the difference if the note is going up or down, if the pitch is going up or down, right? Because you got this first part, this do, re, mi, do, but then this, we had ti, do, and you just kept going up. Instead of going down to ti, you went re, mi. And that shifted you off for this measure, right? So you got the right pattern, but you were shifted up a couple of notes. Right, so we have re, mi, fa, sol, fa. Right, whereas in this case we have re, mi, fa, mi, re. This is the figure that I'm trying to help you recognize, the whole do, mi, so, mi, do, one chord outlined. Not quite. We have re, fa, mi, re, do. So there you go. Practice makes perfect with this. We'll keep working on it. I'll see if it helps you. I know you did do a little better before when I played it on instruments. So I'll keep, I'll go back to instruments and see if that helps. But I also know when I was playing on instruments, the dictation was much more simple. Maybe I'll simplify it just a little bit, but not too much, because a challenge is good. Okay, let's look at the melodies that you wrote the solfege and the counts for. I'm going to go ahead and use the metronome for this. Okay, what the heck? Hopefully you can hear that. Okay, so metronome to do the counts. I want to make sure you know what these oh, whoops, the quarter note triplets aren't on this page. Let's actually start on this other page that has quarter note triplets. And I want to count these out just to make sure you get what this rhythm sounds like. I'll start at the top of the page. For rhythm counting, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and a 3, 1, 3, 1 and a 3. Okay, so that's the quarter note triplet. 3 notes over the span of 2 beats. Okay, here's another thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and a 3, 1, 3, 1 and a 3. All right, I'll go ahead and rhythm count this. We do have some triplets here, so we'll do that. This is in 2/4, so 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 1 and a 1, 2 and 1, 1 and 2 and 1, and 1, 2 and 1 and a 1 and a 1. Let's go ahead and sing the solfege too to make sure you know what this sounds like. I'll turn off the metronome for a moment. I'm not going to do this in the pitch written because it's very high, right? So what I'm going to do is just pick a do that makes it seem like I can go, you know, that makes it low enough that I can reach high enough up to these notes. So I'll call this do. This goes to la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. That'll be fine. So here we go. Turn back the metronome to make sure I do this steadily. Do. So we have 1, 2. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, la, ti, do, sol, la, mi, fa. Whoops, sorry. Sol, la, fa, sol, mi. You know what? I messed up the pitch there. Sol, la, fa, sol, mi. There it is. So 1 and 2. Sol, la, fa, sol, mi. Re, do, sol, 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 la, mi, sol, fa, re, do. All right. Let's continue here with some rhythm counting. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 3 and 4. 1 and a 3, 4. 1 and a 3 and 4. 1 and a 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 3, 4. 1 and a 3 and 4. 1 and a 3, 4. 1 and a 3 and 4. 1 and a 3. All right. So there we go. Lots of quarter note triplets. Pretty hard for musicians to get right. Most of your counting is totally correct on this. You had a weird moment here. You wrote 1 and 2 in, and then you wrote 1 and 2 in again. I think that was just a flukish mistake, right? This is just eighth notes across a measure of 4, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Other than that, seems like you're getting rhythm quite well. And maybe for this week, we'll look at some more complex rhythms. So yeah, that's going quite well. Let's go over what this sounds like. Let me carefully pick a key that doesn't go too high. Let's see. Do, so, do, so, do. Do, mi, so. That'll probably work. Do, do, mi. So let me turn on the metronome. Okay, here we go. 3, ready, and. Mi, do, mi, re, do. Do, so, do, ti, do, mi, so, mi, re, do, do, so, do, ti, do, re, do, ti, so, fa, la, so, do, so, do, ti, do, re, do, ti, so, fa, la, so, mi, so, mi, re, do. Oops, sorry for my pause there. Do, la, okay. La, la, mi, do, 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 la, do, so, la. La, la, mi, do, do, la, do, so, la. Mi, do, mi, re, do. Do, so, do, ti, do, mi, so, mi, fa, la. Whoa, got a little weird there. Mi, so, mi, fa, la, ti, so, ti, do. All right, that was fun. I love sight reading with solfege. It's super good for your music reading skills in general. As you saw, I made a couple of mistakes because it's an extremely challenging thing to do. And I just love it. So I don't know. I hope you do a little bit of singing at home. It really helps with ear training. It helps immensely with dictation. If you can see a melody and sing it from ear, right? Using like your ear and solfege, it makes it a lot easier to hear a melody and write it down. That just happens to be my nerdy jam with music. I love it. Most people don't love it, so I hope you don't feel bad if you're, averse to doing this. Okay, cool. Let's go to the other page that you wrote out counts and solfege for. Let's see. So, excellent job on the counts on this, right? This is some weird syncopation, and you did it all well. And I enjoy the little line here to indicate, like, 3 goes for a while, right? So let's see. Oh, and this has some examples of some chromatic solfege. So that'll be good to sing these out. Okay, since this doesn't have anything too weird with rhythm counting, I'm just going to do the melody only, not do the rhythm counting. Well, actually, maybe it would be good to do rhythm counting, because look at how much the meter changes here. Meter is another word for key signature. I think for this one, I will count it out, and then this one I'll just sing it. Okay, here we go. Here's rhythm counting. 3 and 4. 1 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. 1 and 3 and 1, 2. 1 and 3 and 1, 2. 1, 2. Oops, there's a triplet. I didn't see that little thing. 1, 2, and a 3 and 4 and 1. Good. Yeah. Okay. I didn't say the and because this is tied to that. So that just means this lasts a little bit longer. Okay, let's go ahead and sing this. Do, mi. Well, okay, I'm just going to pick a do that works for my weird voice right now. Do, la. Let's see. It's a little too low. So do, mi, so, mi, so, do, re. That's too low. Do, mi, so, la, so, mi, do. So, mi, re. Okay, there we go. Do, mi, so, do. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, mi, re, do, ti, si, la. Do, mi, so, fa, mi, so, re. Re, mi, fa, re, so, mi, la, ti, whoops. La, ti, si, do, mi, re. Oh, God, this is hard to sing. It's a lot of weird jumps. Let's start here again. La, ti, si, do, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, so, re, so, mi, so, re, so, do. Sorry for that butchering, but hey, this is meant to be played on an instrument, and it's really jumpy. It's hard to sing. A great challenge. Okay, so here we go. With this one, the rhythm is 1, a 3, a 1, and 2, and I'll just go ahead and I'll point to whatever line I'm singing, I guess. Okay, let's see the range. La, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, la. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so, la. Let's lower it a little bit. La. Okay, here it goes. La, ti, do, re, do, ti, do, la, ti, do, la, ti, do, ti. Okay, start over. La, ti, do, re, do, ti, do, la, ti, do, ti, la, ti, so, la, si, mi. Mi, fa, so, la, oops. Mi, fa, so, la, so, fa, so, mi, fa, mi, fa, re, mi. This is a re. A sharped re is re, not ra. Mi, re, mi. And this is C. Good job. La, ti, do, re, do, ti, do, la, ti, do, ti, la, ti. Oops. Ti, la, ti, so, la, si, mi. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, ti, do, la, si, la. Tough to sing. Anyway, just the one thing you did is this is actually a la. This is the C, right? This is a raised, so it becomes C. Okay, so from paper, seems like you're getting this stuff pretty well. Love it. See you in the next video. Let me give a wave just to make this somewhat personable. See you in the next video.